Hi guys, what's up? I just want to give you a quick rundown of AWS Honeycode, the new tool in town. I just want to just quickly go to my console, look at AWS cute time, cute. I know these are RAD tools. Oracle has Oracle Apex, which I love. I used to love. I don't know where they went wrong. Like Oracle Apex is a RAD tool, and super cool. Um, AppSheet, I use AppSheet very well for clients and customers. Look at enterprise apps for whatever you want to do. Really cool, awesome apps. AppSheet too has mobile and kind of web, and it's really the same thing. But you are here for this guy, so let's do this guy. Black Lives Matter. Don't forget that. Yeah, Black Lives Matter, and that's AWS. That's it. Cool. So let me give you a quick rundown. Honeycode, yeah, it's right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's only for people within this. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No teams only. Um. Okay. So you just search for Honeycode on your on your stuff, yeah. And it's kind of gonna be there. I just went brush to mine. Click on Honeycode, click on sign up. Even though I've already signed, look at the price plans. $20 for 20 teams and with 100 of data, and this $30 for team of 20 with 100 rows. Not cool, not bad. So this is what it looks like. I've already signed up already. When you do, you see something. You know how it goes, and you're not a newbie to this thing. You see what it's like. Well, so this is me. So this is if you want to add a team member, and just set the person. But let me just give you a quick one. Let's say I want to do a what do I want to do? Kind of app should we build? Let's build a shift app, like for shift. We can import if we have normal content. We can import it, or let's just start from scratch. That's my UPS. We just had power outage right now. So let's say I want to start from scratch. Usually you start with your database. If you know these RAD tools, AppSheet, Oracle Apex are super cool. Let's say we have employee, the ID, and you have employee surname, and you have employee name. Let's say you have shift. That'll be two shifts, day shift and night shift. And let's say there'll be dates just for the hell of it. Let's add presence. Yeah. All right. Let's add this 001. Okay. Let's see. Matthew Payne. Sarah Tancredi. Let's see what else do we want? Let's employee 2. We're gonna add 5 employees. That it's okay. By the way, this is what it looks like when it's trying to be like core database, but you can make it look like this. You see that it does to like your regular Excel sheet that you know. After I stand on, that is what a database is, just a spreadsheet, a complicated spreadsheet. People that know database design understand it. So let me go down. Let's see if it does like Excel. No, it doesn't have to. But remember, if you have your raw data, you can always import it directly from that import menu. I just want to do this one so that we see what it looks like from scratch. Okay, we have Matthew, we have Sean, Paul, we have Wells, we have Jack Black. And so these guys have shift, day shift. They need to call it day shift, just databases. Let's call it day, night, 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 night. Yeah. Okay. And let's say today's date is they released it, I think when they released it some not too long ago. This was recorded 2020 June, and it was this is 26th of June, and they just released it like not too long ago, like somewhere in this month. I don't want to give you a wrong day, but it was not, it is not too far ago. Let's use this date, which is 26th of June. We use day, month here. Well, US usually uses month, month, day. That way you, let's see if you accept it. So let me just change this date to okay. You're working on 27th. You're working on 28th. And you are working on 30th. Alright. This is attendance that is to be filled. Probably yes or no. Yes, no. Like this is when they come, this is what they will probably fill. Like okay, present or not. This is shift app. It's just an idea that just to show you what this can do. This is to print. This is to create automation, which is right here. I'll show you what automation is. I'll apply it so you see what it's for. It's for automation for sending automatic reactions to events. I'll show you, don't worry. This is build app direct. Like this goes directly here. This goes directly here. It's the same thing, just ease of access. To freeze rows, these are your normal if you're used to Excel. Oh wow, look at that. I made a mistake. Look at my mistake. I started putting my headers on column 2, and which might affect because the header is usually the column name. Like if you don't know this, let me just it should be your header should be on column 1 because that would be like the title. So I have to cut that. I have to Control X as usual. Control X and Control V to paste, which well that's that column format. Okay, this should obviously is date. Okay, you can format the column. Column should be date. Like these are like basic stuff, like kind of everybody should know. But even if you don't know, that's why you're here anyway. Display preference. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, display preference. So I want that date to show the kind of preference you want. It's a date formula. If it's a computed column, like I'll explain that in some other time. This column format is just auto plain text. It should be just auto plain text. Do we add salary? Now let's not waste your time. I want to assume you understand all of this. Well, at least if you're interested in Honeycode, that means you've had a lot of experience with this stuff. These tools, Oracle is here, AppSheet is here. Well, okay. What else? Trust me, this is not a tutorial. We're just having fun together, and I'm just giving you like low down of how it's going down. Okay. So let's quickly go to an app. Let's build an app with this. Can build an app. So went to app wizard. Look at the app wizard here. Super cool. Make an app with an app wizard. Start here. There's a little video. Let's watch the video together. It's 30 seconds. There's no audio. Still. There's no audio. That. Preview or live app. See build as change. Customize data and more. Add screens. Edit settings. Voila, your app is ready and ready to share. So I think this is really cool for people that are in the office. It really kind of beats AppSheet and Oracle in terms of ease of use, but functionality, I really do love AppSheet. So let's go back. Oh, we didn't name the table. Let's go back and name the table something cute, Jerry. Let's choose that table. Okay, well, the table is already there, it's already done. Well, we can name the appearance of the table. So just table one, like I could have named it uh shift oops, table. Look at that. The real name is table one, but screen name. Let's not call it. I'm supposed to do that. Let's not call it shift. Let's call it just shift. And we can even in here. This is okay. This is like a form. We can just add more data, like maybe employee, a new employee signs in. And what do you want to see? Do you want to see the? I don't think the employee doesn't need to see his number. I just want to see his surname name. I don't want to see the date, even though the date is there. Do you want to see that? Do we want to add a column right now? No, we're good. Let's just go next. And there's a detail. When you select the data, there's a detail view. Like if you select the data, what do you want to see about that? Let me go back. So that maybe the detail will be date. Like okay, I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. I just want to see this. And when the person clicks on it, let me show you the detail. Don't worry, you see what it looks like. You see when it clicks on it, this is your detail. It sees uh, your you can see the ID, you can see the name, the surname, the shift. Yeah, let me see everything or the detail. The employee ID is not necessary, but let us remove it. Should we? Should we not? Should we not? Let's remove it. It's just a view part, like and the data is always there. Let's call this staff details. Yeah, staff shift details. Yeah, look at that. I like the way it's real time showing you what it is. Yep. So boom, and I think we're done. Okay. So this is a form for this is a form part. Like there was a master detail view. You know, master details like it's just reports of okay, this is what it is, and this is if you want more details. That was what we just did right now. The first one was a master, and if you want to see, click on it, and you see more details. This is a form when you want to add a new staff. Okay, emp ID, everything. Okay, let's add this. Okay, new staff or new staff or new shift. When you enter a new shift, okay, and voila. Yeah, look at that, unable to create store position. Yeah, okay, so okay, something like this. And this one kind of look like shift. I would like to rename these things. Maybe I'll do that later. Let me click on view app. Let's see it together. So this is it. What a very basic shift app with Amazon Honeycode looks like. So look at my staff. Look at their shift. Okay, and this is what they are saying. Everybody, maybe I want to see Sarah's data. Like okay, when Sarah comes, she sees her shift is night. Okay. Let's go back. How do we get back? Let's see. Sean Paul comes and sees his shift to his night, and on 27th, which is tomorrow. Well, at least it's already in the past for the time you're seeing this. So I hope you kind of like, okay, I can search for jump to shift. Okay, let me search for someone here. Let's search. Oh, Matthew, cool. And Matthew comes and sees his own date, and everybody is synchronized in the team. Everybody sees what they're doing, and we are good to go. So I think that's basically it. This it's very cool. It's oh yeah. I forgot. Let me add a new stuff so you see what it's like. Okay, yeah. Let's add a new stuff. 009. Let's see. That's my name. Office Geek. Yeah. Office Geek. Hey, electricity is by. Yeah, welcome to my country, man. Electricity here sometimes. Press yeah, presence no, because there's no electricity right now. Sorry to bug you. Then 0809. Yeah, 06. Let's say it's 30th of June 2020. And we just added edit value. Shift value D. And done. So look at that. Look at my shift here, my new shift. And I can share this. This is the way it be kind of very basic. You just explain that to show you what it looks, how it's. At least they just built a basic app right now. So let me show you what the builder looks like. So we've talked about this table part. This is the table. You can see. I'm just going back here because if you were on a database, if you get this part right, the rest is easy. This is format, color formatting, or whatever type you expect it to be. Let's say this is number, so this should be auto. I think this should be row link because we all know that thing should be auto. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It added one more. It didn't add. It left these blank spaces and added more. Let me do something. If I add again to the form, let's go back to that. If I add a new one to the form, emp underscore 09 and see, my name is Shola and I work at Office Geek. Yeah, and night. Let's say 1st of July 2020. And say let's say the shift is yes. Exactly what I expected, yeah. Okay, the drop down is here. The date part is here since I formatted it with date. So the date part is here since I formatted date. This is it right here. Boop. Done. Okay. Look at this. This is the database part. So I think that's really kind of cool. There are many other things, many things we need to learn. Look at that. Wizards. So let's go to the app builder. This is what we came to see. So look at remember this shift. There's a shift, your home, what you first see. This is here. This is what you first see, your first one. Then there is the shift details. And when you click on anyone, it goes to its details. And there's the form. Anytime you want to create a new form. So I think that's basically it, but we can now add our customizations here. Like maybe you want to, I know you want to do something awesome, you want to add this stuff reminds me of let's see, add a button. What button should we do? Type in the comment. Let's see what button I should do next video. I'll do a button. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see, I don't know. Just add buttons here, and what action should it take? Look at that. See, it goes. Look at it. Select it. You can select the screen. Uh, Shift, which is home. Let's say it's a home. Like I can put my home button here. So this is where UI UX designers come in. Come and save me, UX designers. And actually, UI UX will definitely not be watching this right now. It is you that also could. So, so this one navigates to whatever screen, and there's my first screen. If you remember, now this one, okay, we can update screen. This can be just a refresh button to update the screen. Let's see what this is. I can update. Can update any of those by any of those fields. Okay. Let's click on the button. I'll just set the display of the button to home. Okay, that's not where to do it. This is the home button property. So you set the name of the button here, home button, just for clarity's sake. But I think this is where the whole home. Yeah, so it's like that. Boom, boom. And what happens when I click this button? Actions. Navigate back to screen. What screen? My home screen, which was my first screen. And okay, what else? Okay, let's see if we can add a new screen here. Okay, we can add a new screen. Screen name. Let's name the screen. Let's say I want to say list. Sorry. Let's add a new screen. List of present staff. Okay, and we're gonna add just one. Add an object. Let's see this column list here. Add column list from table 1. I'm going to allow users filter the screen. No, we want to see only his presence. Oops. I want to see ID. We don't want to see this. Want to see employee name and presence. So let's see the shift. I think this is where those annoying people called HR will like. Yeah, I know the HR are gonna chew me on this. So yes, we're going to see a list of column list. I want to see column list. So we're going to see list of people and their attendance. Look at blank block. Can use blank block. Let's add content here. This is the list of attendance. Let's view the app. Let's see what it looks like. So we have a very boring home. Come on. Sure. So we can look at our screen name. Oh, we didn't name our screen. Look at the table. So you can see just a list of people and their presence for HR. We'll name it HR next time. So you can see people that were not present. Young, I think Tancred is going down. And Paul, everybody. So this is for HR. Let's name it HR. HR panel. Yeah. So look at it. It's gonna be really cool. Oh, come on. Let's name it HR panel. wrong with the screen now? Let's name it. It's supposed to work now. Oh yeah, there's a search bar here, which is cool. If the list is plenty, then we're looking for somebody. Hmm. Finally, HR panel. So I have a shift, I have a HR panel. So HR comes and looks for Shola, which is me. Nobody like me. No, I'm not present. That's scary. I'll look for Office Geek. Okay, so I was not present in June in 30th, but I was present in this. Yeah, that's where I work. Well, I hope you're able to learn something new here. Uh, it's kind of very cool, and this is what we do at Office Geek. We develop apps, data apps for people. So if you really do need one or want one, maybe you want to automate something, you have some forms you want to fill, you have some data, you have sales people, sales agents, insurance people, people on the field, and you want to synchronize data together, you can send me a message or holler me, or come see the link below. You see a list of, sorry about that, you can listen to, if you listen to me, if you I think that's basically it. It's kind of very cool. Oh yeah, I forgot, let me do one automation. So yeah, this is automation. It's very, very cool. Like when, let's assume a report should be sent now at a particular date. Let's say uh this table, obviously before this day, uh before this date, what should happen? Send a mail, notify. Look at, okay, since this is a short tutorial, let me go back. Let me not do that. Let me start over. This thing reminds me of Microsoft Flows. Let me delete this. So you see the options. I pick an automation, and the automation was at this date, which is this time, do any of this. We have notify by sending email, adding to the row, deleting to the row, or overwrite or editing. So we can pick notify and add my email. So this is my email. Yeah. Or you can add the mails of your colleagues. Hi. Where is my report? And add link to the app. Yeah. So this is the link to the app, so you can click it directly and do what you are doing. And once this is draft, I think you should just publish, click publish. So the method of automation is publishing. So at this time, to send that mail to this email address. But let's do one that we can see now. Add another automation. When you add a row, what from this table added, when a row is added, it's loading the table. Hold on. Come on, come on. Yeah, this table. When a row is added, what should we do? Notify me again. New entry. HR to the new staff is added. And just okay, let's attach link to the app right here. Boop. And you publish. Save change. So I think we can test this one. Let me just go and quickly go to our app and add a new let me quickly show you my email here. I'm going to add a new stuff here. I'm going to see underscore 00. This this night 6. This is supposed to show. Anyway. Oh, presence is yes. So done. And that's that. So I still supposed to send me a mail. Look at that. Notification, new entry, HR. Look at that. You see that? That's AWS in your face. Honeycode. Alright, sorry to everybody disturbance. I hope you've gained something. And if you need any help doing this for yourself, or need a training on it, or need help doing this on Honeycode or on other apps, other apps that do this, don't forget. It's cool. It's not bad. It's really easy. Look at how easily we did this. It's very easy. Or if you need help doing this for your business, you can just send me a message. I'm an office geek. I'm there all the time on Facebook. Just send me a message whenever I bot to attend to you, and I'll get notifications. So thank you very much. You do not need to subscribe. Don't subscribe. This is not a YouTube channel. I just want to show off how cool it is. Thanks. Bye bye.